Hello, this is Elsie here from the team at 99designs by Vista. In this video, I'm going to explain the design handover stage of a contest and how to make sure you have everything you need to start using your winning design. Congratulations, you've selected your winning design. Now it's time to enter the exciting handover stage of your contest. The purpose of the handover is to give the designer the time to prepare and share your final files, as well as for you to formally gain the rights to your artwork in your name. A handover in most categories lasts for 5 days. While the handover is still active, you and your designer will work together to ensure that the files they upload are completed, print ready, and usable online. For certain types of contests, such as logo bundle packages or web and app design categories, you'll have a little extra time to work through any revisions. In these cases, the handover period will be 10 days. Once your designer has uploaded the final files, you'll be notified to review them and check that all required files have been submitted. Unsure about what files you need? Each handover includes a section that lists what file types are commonly provided for your specific design category. During this process, you'll also need to sign the design transfer agreement. But don't worry, this doesn't mean you're approving the files just yet. It simply ensures that you legally own the design once everything is complete. If you need any minor tweaks or revisions, such as a color change, you can still work with your designer during this limited time. Keep in mind that most designers will offer a few minimal revisions for free, but more detailed revisions, like changing a font style, should be completed in a design project for an additional charge. This helps us make sure that our designers are compensated fairly for their time and effort. Once you're happy with the files, you can approve them and release the winning prize to your designer. The timer begins once the designer has uploaded the first files for review. Alternatively, if the 5-day timer runs out and you haven't taken any action, payment will be automatically released. And that's a wrap. You're now ready to complete your design handover. So don't forget, the handover is the space within your contest to review and download your files. Each handover runs for 5 days besides logo and bundle packages and contests in the web or app design category. You will need to sign the design transfer agreement to gain the rights to your design and start using it. Also, you need to approve the final files to release the prize money to your designer. So, we hope you enjoy the exciting handover stage of your contest and see you next time from the team at 99designs by Vista.